Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rupichas here. Just found out this nice endgame study to show to you. So what's going on here? Actually, white is rook up, and normally it's an easy win, but there are some problems. Yeah, if black captures, wins a pawn, and they can even they won't win, of course, they don't have so much time, but they can draw, yeah, I guess. And if white is really greedy, they play something like this. Actually, uh, this move makes a draw for black, yeah. And white should really watch out, yeah, if they, bring king too close, yeah, they might, end up trying to make a draw themselves. So, what do you think white should play here? There's only one winning move, and the winning move is rook to a3. That's quite amazing, yeah. So what's going on? Let's try b4. b4 is, you don't want to spoil your structure. Maybe you will win this pawn and etc. White plays rook to g3. And notice that black cannot play here because, white control this third file, and if you play something like b3, this is the only logical move, I guess, and try to win this pawn. So white takes on a5 and at the same time protects the a4 pawn. So if you play this, I'll play rook to b5, and whatever you do, I'll either promote the pawn or I will mate you with this with these pieces. So this is not the best move, it appears. So the most obvious is to take, but white wins very easily then. The problem is that black is one tempo down, and they're not in time to create this stalemate idea. So a5, b6, and if you play here, the problem is that white queens with check, yeah, and it's very easily winning. But if you play king a2, which is more stronger move, and play this, for instance, yeah, the problem is that, yeah, this doesn't win. There is small trap because queen b3 will just end up in a draw. This is a very simple draw for black. You just have to know this idea that black should hide on in the stalemate position, yeah. But in this position, instead, we can play yeah, anything, rook, queen h8 or queen e5. Queen e5 is not that easy to spot, and we just come closer. Staircase scenario, check, check. Yeah, if you go here, then I'll win this pawn, or I'll just take it, yeah. If I go here, then I make move with my king, and I take the pawn and win easily. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.